Most beginners waste weeks, months, or even years watching random tutorials, picking up bad habits, and ending up more frustrated than fit. But what if you could skip the struggle and master jump rope faster than you ever thought possible? I've taken my 15 years of jump rope experience and built it into one step-by-step system designed for complete beginners, and it's the fastest way to go from constant tripping to jumping smooth, landing tricks, and building endurance in just a few weeks. You'll learn all the key fundamentals, form, technique, rope sizing, and more in the right order. You'll know exactly what drills to practice to develop skills and flow. You'll get my pro tips for learning tricks like side swings, crisscrosses, and footwork combos without months of frustration. And here's the truth. If you focus on the wrong things, your progress will stop. Most people try to figure it out alone. They waste time, they build bad habits, and they never reach the level they want. This course eliminates the guesswork. And I'm not just giving you the main course either. You're also getting a workout program to build endurance, strength, and lose weight. Key skill and footwork tutorials to expand your flow. My favorite recipes for fueling your training, plus lifetime access, no subscription, and all future updates at the current price. And if you don't see progress, I'll give you your money back. You've got a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. So if you're ready to finally master jump rope without the endless frustration, click the button below and join the jump rope course. I'll see you on the inside.